moving on to this product, it is the one in the middle. Ito ang eufy Cam 2 Pro. So, ito, itsura niya. Mas malaki siya ng konti.
Patingin naman.
Ayan, ito, medyo rectangular, babe. Rectangular. So, what are the key features
Ikaw talaga sinusolo mo yung camera na to eh.
Tatanong ako ng question. What are the key features of this outdoor camera?
Uy,
Ito,
teka. Outdoor
naman
na
tayo.
siya. Kanina kasi indoor.
Yes.
Diba?
Okay, so for the eufy Cam 2 Pro, actually it's a wireless security camera wherein it has a 365 battery life. You're just going to charge it for 4 hours, and it will already function for 365 days.
Oh, pang 1 year na siya.
Yeah, one charge equals 365 days of security.
Ayan.
Wow. Sana ganun din yung energy ko, no? 4 hours na tulog, 365 days sa trabaho.
Ang intense, ha?
Diba?
Yes.
Grabe, it's such a workhorse. 4 hours, 365 days.
Yes.
Wild.
Okay, yeah.
Then-
Can you tell us more about it?
Then with the eufy Cam 2 Pro, almost similar with the resolution from the indoor camera. It has 2K resolution. It's IP67 waterproof.
So para pag umulan.
Yes, pag umulan, hindi siya madadamage. Then at the same time, it's very easy to install actually. You're just going to, it comes with a bolt wherein it's magnetic bolt. Then you're just going to stick it there. And it will stick na. Like, you can just arrange it wherever you want, however you want it to look like.
So magnet yung
siya.
ginagamit mo. Hindi mo kailangan ng sobrang technical personnel
Yes.
para ikabit siya.
Anybody can do it.
Anybody can
I
do
do it?
it.
Wala
Yes.
akong kahit anong technical skill.
Yes, wala. Ilalagay mo lang talaga siya sa metal or something. Mag-stick na siya. Then it will function for 365 days.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay. Parang gusto ko din yan.
Pang outdoor naman.
Pang
Kailangan
outdoor.
complete them all. Parang Pokemon, gano'n. You can select them all, right?
Pero saan mo siya, kunwari, condo, saan mo siya pwede ikabit?
For this specific product, I don't recommend it for condo
Hindi
users.
sa condo. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
It's because diba sa condo somehow you need to do some rebuilding pa
Sa labas.
sa labas.
Para makabit
Yeah.
mo.
So
Okay.
for condo users, we're going to stick with the indoor camera. But for those who have a huge lot or space, the best product for them would be the eufy Cam 2 Pro.
Oo,
Because
medyo
it has a
pangbahay.
wider angle din. Yeah.
Yan. Wider angle siya. More for homes na parang big houses, ganon. Oo. Kasi naman, babe, pag condo, meron na rin tayong naka-install, diba?
Yung mga CCTV
yung mga
sa
CCTV
labas.
ng condo,
Yeah.
meron na yan. So, yung
Okay.
inside your condo, gagamitin mo yun si indoor. Tapos si eufy Cam 2 Pro, ayan, pang bigger, parang heavy duty.
Yeah. For bigger field of view.
Oo, yan. Perfect. So,
Okay.
kitang-kita mo lahat ng space mo sa labas.
Ito mga home security cameras nga na to, no? Dati, tuwing tumitingin-tingin yung family ko, nagdidebate yan eh. Parang ano pinagkaiba niya sa CCTV?
Well, yeah, actually that's a good question eh. Basically CCTV kasi parang you need to do a lot of wirings pa. Then at the same time, there's a main monitor wherein you're going to view your recordings from the cameras.
Okay.
So
Yung parang sa mga movies.
Yeah, it's a lot of hassle pa.
Okay.
While for this type of camera, it's wireless. It's very perfect for home, easy to install, and you can check it on your phone. So it's more accessible compared to a CCTV camera.
Yung mga footage mo, mas madaling i-access.
Yes.
Okay, I see.
Yes.
The convenience of accessing, yun parang I think is a great pro. Pero yung mas nag-stick sa akin, yung sinabi ni Alfred na mabilis lang siya ma-install.
Oo,
Yes,
yun
Oo.
din.
Kasi I suppose like you need all the equipment and all the manpower to put up a CCTV.
Yeah, it does sound a lot more complicated. And this one seems like, just put it there and you're
So pwede ka
good.
palang pwede ka palang itong ideal user eh.
Yeah, that's me.
Yung parang basically I just want convenience, plug and play.
Yeah,
Yes,
diba?
ayun, sakto
Pero
yan.
aside from Bea, sino pa ba yung ideal user nitong outdoor camera natin?
for this specific security camera, I recommend these products for people that have bigger houses. Because yun nga, it has wider field of view. And at the same time, these are also perfect for the people who doesn't want the hassle eh. Like, di ba, like what I mentioned kanina, CCTV, you need a lot of things to do pa. While for eufy Cam 2 Pro, you just need a small space wherein you'll just install your camera there. Very simple to install.
Feeling ko parang madaming makakagamit nito basta may malaking space ka sa labas na kailangan mong tutukan,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
So kung meron kang store, ganon.
Yes,
Kung meron kang sari-sari store or meron kang farm or business, pwede mong i-poop.
Tapos ayaw mo kamahasel.
Ano?
Ayaw mo masyadong gumastos for manpower to
Yes, tama. Ayan, hindi ka
install
na
a
pinansin, babe.
CCTV camera.
Hindi niyo ako pinansin. there was a moment there.
There
You made
was
a
a sound
sound.
effect.
What was it?
It's like a poop. You put it, you just pop it
You
in
say
there.
poop?
Yeah, it's like poop. It's a pop kasi.
You said poop eh.
Nako. Okay, so anyway, moving on. Moving
pero-
on to our next.
Pero ito. Yung outdoor camera na yan, sabi mo for people who have like bigger spaces, diba? And bigger homes, etc. Kung wala pa, pero pwede ko rin yan bilhin. Tapos mag-aspire ako para later on. Ma-install ko rin siya sa mas malaking bahay. Diba?
Yeah.
Pwedeng ganun.
Pwede. It's an investment naman kasi
Yun.
talaga at the end of the day.
Oo.
If you're considering bringing your home security a notch higher, you can do so with the PLDT Home Security Devices.
Tama yan. You can ensure your family's safety with the different security products available that will give you peace of mind anytime, anywhere. Diba? Just visit pldthome.com/eufy for more details.
Hi, I'm Alfred Laquian. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the PLDT Home YouTube channel.